Howdy gang, thought I'd get a quick video up. October 13th was mine and the wife's 26th wedding anniversary, and we actually went down to the boat for a few days, and we actually took her out for her maiden voyage as us as owners on October the 13th. And I didn't actually shoot any video or any photos during that, but my wife shot a lot of it. So don't tell her. I stole it all off her phone. And I'll get it all spliced together here and get it up so you can see it. My wife is normally pretty good at that stuff. For some reason, she stuck her finger over the lens 2 or 3 times. So may get a close-up of her fingerprints, and I don't know, you may be able to use it. I don't know. Also, she took some pictures of the Air Force planes flying around because we're really close to an Air Force base down there and they fly around all the time. So you're going to get a little bit of that. But without further ado, let me get this stuff edited together and I'll get it up so you can take a look at it. First sail went great. We only flew the main. We didn't fly a head sail or anything like that. It's got some motor problems. So if any of you know a good Atomic 4 mechanic in the Panhandle of Florida area, can't speak English today, let me know. Talk to y'all later. Bye.
Oh boy.
Count them up.
We're moving.
We should be moving. This thing backs up like a pig.
Hit that thing. Oh my gosh. Where's my floating devices?
Huh?
Where's my floating devices? Oh my gosh. They're moving. Look. Help me! Where are we going, love? Oh my gosh. Okay, this is my first time in a sailing boat. My husband is sailing. Oh my gosh. Help! Look at those nets.
Garment.
Right there, beside you, on your right.
It's awful at backing up though.
Is it?
That long fin keel. Doesn't like to turn when it's backing up.
Oh. It's beautiful. Wow. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Well, what do you think, love?
It sails.
This is our view.
The problem with a sailboat is you can't go through.
Oh, really?
No, you have to go across the wind.
That's the plane. Look at this butterfly. Whoa! Oh, there you go.
You can do it. You can do it. When a sail's flopping around that like that, it means you're too close to the wind. That means the wind's coming straight from the front of the sail. And see how the sail tightens up when it's full.
Mm.
That was a no good tack. Gonna have to do it again. Too busy messing with it.
Damit. There's another plane. I am alive. We got back. I'm alive.
You're fine.
We made it. That was fun though. Thanks.